Alright, continue with tangent of 15. Sine of 30 is 1/2. We have 1 plus cosine of 30, that is the square root of 3 over 2. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 2 just to get rid of these fractions. So half of 2 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times the square root of 3 over 2, that will just knock these 2's out. So plus the square root of 3. So I can't leave it like this because I have a square root in the bottom. So I need to multiply by the conjugate, which is really just taking the one that has the square root and changing the sign. That's the conjugate. Alright, so the top is going to be 2 minus the square root of 3, since that was just times 1. Then I've got 2 times 2, which is 4. And then 2 times square root of 3, so plus 2 square root of 3. And then negative square root of 3 times 2, so that's negative 2 square root of 3. And then negative square root of 3 times the positive square root of 3, so that's minus 3. So we have 2 minus the square root of 3 over, those get knocked out, and I have 4 minus 3, so that gives me 1. So my final answer is 2 minus the square root of 3. Okay, now like we said, it doesn't matter which one you use. Whoops. Doesn't matter which one you use, if you use this one, or this one. They're all going to give you the exact same answer. But I wouldn't use this one because that one's more complicated. Either this one or this one right here.